Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON Boxer-6647 MTH hardness meteor-like power is rugged fanless industrial PC. So friend, the industrial PC solution AAEON has introduced the Boxer-6647 MTH, a fanless embedded computer powered by the Intel Core Ultra platform, available with either Intel Core Ultra 7 155H and Intel Core Ultra 5 125H processor, and the system hosts LAN port providing up to 2.5 gigabit speed, 6 USB 4, USB 3.2 generation 2 and 2 USB 2.0, and 3 serial ports that include dual RS 232, 422 and 485 signal and 8-bit DIO. And the IO port provide a strong foundation with which system integrated can install camera, sensor, LIDAR, IMUs for advanced robotic applications like AGVs and AMRs. Moreover, the system boasts a wealth of expansion options to accommodate Wi-Fi, 5G, NVMe storage module, and the mechanical design for Boxer 6647 MTH offer a number of unique features, including external SATA and M.2 M-Key device tray that allow user to swap and upgrade and replace SATA and M.2 NVMe storage device without the need to open the system or use tools to configuration. And second, change to the what user will have become accustomed with AAEON fanless embedded PC line. Its fully sealed chassis panel provide product from the selection required additional vent on the system side panel in order to ensure heat distribution. So friend, it's measure 220 mm into 154 mm into 62.1 mm while also maintaining minus 20 Celsius to 60 Celsius temperature range. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.